Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, honey. Hey, you guys, it's your girl Stephanie again with Right On Skill Creation. I am coming back with another video. So, hey, if you're new, I invite you to please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my video. And of course, if you are returning, you know the spiel, honey. Welcome back. So, listen. I'm just going to do two different hauls. I have an Amazon haul and a Temu haul. So I just got off a live that I saw. It was Basket Boutique Jeanette versus Charlie. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. I had to leave, so I'm going to go back and watch some of the replay. I chimed in the chat, but I had to rush off and roll out. So, but when I saw the end of it, Jeanette, honey, baby, you did a good job. I love that fall look. And baby, you in that wig, honey, that wig, Charlie, I'd be ashamed herself. Girl, that wig. But I loved it. I loved it, and I love Charlie's spirit, and I love Jeanette's spirit. But anyway, let's get back into this video that I have. Okay, so I did a Temu haul, did some purses and something else. So I just got a different style purses. These are kind of like, you have to stuff these, and they, I'm not a fan of these handles here, but I'm gonna use it maybe like a little teenage basket or something once I stuff it in and fix these up. Then I have this one. Hope everybody's having a good day. Are you guys ready for the DC8 challenge? It's going to be a ball. I was one of the first ones. I'm the OG of one of them. And I had chosen send me her stuff. And then I challenged Katrina. Crafting with Katrina. I sent her stuff. So if y'all want to go back and find those videos, they were so much fun. Nicole, love you, honey. You just made everybody's day. We're on a downtime now until the major holidays. For some of us who like to wait until the major holidays, this is enjoyable because she keeps us busy. She keeps us alive. So the DC8 challenge is the way to go. So just want to put that plug out there, honey. Just want to put that plug out there. But anyway, got another little cute purse. Got like a little fur design. I made a basket with one of these already. But again, now this one has the chain to it. So once I fix this up and put it in the basket, that would be cute for that. What is wrong with this here? See, Temu get on my last nerve. What is this? Why is that bent like that? I don't like that. So I'll probably put some glue. I don't like that. I don't know. I don't like that. See? Temu get on my last nerves. See, I don't like that flip right there. So I might have to keep this one because I ain't gonna send it back. Yeah, watch your Temu stuff. They just ridiculous. Now, if I do keep it, I'm going to keep this right here and put it on that's part of this right here because I just can't, I'm not digging that. That's ridiculous. But I'm going to put this on a tumbler, so that'll be cute for that. So, don't throw away your stuff. Just, do something else with it. Okay, here's another little cute purse. Little small purse for a teenager or someone who likes blue. It got a little cute butterfly on it. Okay, I got that. And these are my all-time type favorite bags. A little clutch here. It could be a little crossbody. So I got the yellow one. They look like this. And you can stuff it with whatever you want, for your basket. This is the pink and green. For a nice little cute AKA, even though I'm a Delta fan, but I'm going to leave that alone. KOK, hint, hint. But you got the pink and green. I got the blue and yellow version. I got a red and green right here. Again, they look just like this, okay? The red and green. And then I got a nice one that's like Paris. Right here, okay? I think that is so pretty. So I'm gonna use that in a basket. Then I just got a regular tote, like a little red tote. I got some of those. I haven't bought a lot of bags. I'm waiting till close to Valentine's Day to get what I want, okay? Then I found some little cute ones here. Little coin purse. They look like these. I thought that was so, and it's red and black. My favorite two colors in the world, red and black, okay? So this will be cute on a cute little tumbler as well. You know, like those red tumblers we get at the Dollar Tree. You can put that on that, or you can do whatever you want. So these are so cute little coin purses here. So I got two of those. Then I got just a regular bag tote. I can't even open it, but it looks like that. What is that opening to this thing? Here's some scissors. Hold on, y'all. What kind of scissors? All right, so that's what this looks like. Oh, I think this is cute. A large tote. Again, it's red, but that is so pretty. This is actually a Delta color. The crimson and cream, the red. So that is so pretty. Okay, so that's that tote. And it says tote bag. Ain't that something? Okay, so, and then I got some little pearls, pearl necklace. I was just grabbing stuff off Temu. So just to be mostly my Valentine's Day stuff. I have small items I'm making for Christmas. So this would be mostly for Valentine's Day. So this is a beautiful choker. Isn't that pretty? That pretty pink. And this is the bracelet, I believe. And small earrings right here. Okay? So, again, I'm going to order more stuff, but I just want to start with something from Temu. Okay? So, inspired by the great and talented KOK, I found some laundry baskets. I was really in love with how she worked those laundry baskets from Temu. So, maybe they came wrinkled. You got to iron these. But here's one that she had. Okay. And I'm going to work these for Valentine's Day. I'm not going to do anything with them now. Just going to put them back. I got to really press this out or hot dry it or something. But this is one. I had to find some items for that one. Isn't that cute? That's KOK had that one. And I did say inspired by. And then this one, I thought this was a great idea, great concept. So the items that I'm gonna put in there, I probably wait for Burlington because I don't have any gift sets at all. So I'm gonna have to go with Burlington. Okay. Here is one. Look at that one. Wrinkled mess. So that's this one. I guess once I put the stuff in there to pull it out, but that's what that one looks like. I thought that was really pretty. I'm gonna work with that. Got another one. Oh yeah, this is gonna be some great, because yeah, I think that the gift sets will work great with these. And that's another one I got. They all laundry baskets from Temu. So that's what pretty much you want to type in, laundry baskets, Temu. Again, inspired by KOK. That's the first person I've seen with her. That's what I'm saying. So that's why I say her name. So that's what that one looks like. Okay. Oh yeah, it's really got to be boxed up. And then I found this one where I put a box inside of it just to show you. I'm loving this. I gotta find a gift set that kind of pulls this beautiful bow here. Picture of a bow here. And I put a little box in there just to show you guys the form I'm doing. So, or I could do a cake box and put some like different colors in it, like the cream colors and what have you with a blanket. I don't have any robes because I don't do robes too much because of the weather down here. People look at that robe like, ooh, that's too hot for that. But I would do blankets. So something like that with a gift set, put at the top and work it like that. Again, I'm going to go to Burlington for a gift set, even though Walmart has gift sets during Christmas, but Burlington has beautiful, beautiful gift sets to me. And if I wait, I really don't want to really wait till after Christmas because down here the gift sets are gone. So I might just have to suck up and just buy them kind of like maybe the $8 ones or $5.99 or something like that. Nothing over $15, okay? And then I just price accordingly. So this would probably be like $150, $180 baskets once I put everything in it, bear, what have you. So yeah, this is the Temu haul. So now, Gifts by Gina. That's Gift by Gina, Gina, showed us these, which I really, 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 really fell in love with. These boxes here that she got from Amazon, inspired by Gina, because she's the first person I saw with it. Again, with me, if I'm gonna say inspired by if I seen you with it. But if I don't see you or didn't see your video, then of course I can't say inspired by. But I'm giving you all the props I can when I see or if I see your video. But yeah, this is hers. I really, really love these. They come in 3 colors, like she said. You got the like a toy, like a teal color here, and it comes in the inserts. So you'll see the box at the bottom, which are these, and then the holder right here, which is this part, okay? So 3 different colors. You got the like a turquoise or a teal, you want to call it. You got the purple, and you got the pinks. You got it comes in how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4 different pieces, like this. Okay, that's your clear box here, right here. You come with the top part, which is the insert here, and then the actual holder or the box, which is these. Okay, now I didn't get no ribbon, so but I ain't gonna fuss about it. And it also comes with, you know, your handles. Okay, so it's 2 handles per box. I think this is an awesome. You know me and my clear boxes. I love clear boxes. I love this. I'm such a fan. I can't wait to put something in it. This may be Christmas and Valentine's Day. And of course I'm gonna order some more for Mother's Day. If you guys don't eat it up and get it all. You know what I mean? Don't get it all. But yeah. Alright, so that is all I have. I'm gonna do a short with these. I'm not working these until January. Then I have some more gift sets, bears, etc., etc. Not doing anything with these. I'm just gonna put them away because I don't like this wrinkle stuff. What do the directions say? I think I got my glasses. No. Polyester, made in China. They don't say do not press. Maybe say a warm iron. Yeah, because that wrinkleness is driving me nuts. But yeah, so that's these. That is my haul. Of what I got from Temu and from Amazon. Again, Amazon, inspired by Gifts by Gina. That's Gina. Please follow her channel. Let's get everybody who is under 1K up to 1K, okay? Because of YouTube is doing some tricky stuff, okay? So let's get everybody up to their numbers. If you are subscribed to me, hear me, listen to me. I'm gonna put people's channel in my my videos, so you can go ahead on and subscribe to them. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, baby. And I will see y'all in the next one. And don't forget, DCH Challenge is upon us. 2026. Let's go. Let's enjoy their videos and see what they all about, honey. All right. Love y'all. Gotta find me an iron. Honey. This don't make no sense. All right. Talk to y'all soon. Bye-bye.